Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be looking at your energy starting from 15th till 21st of November. In this video we will be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. So let's get started with your reading for my Virgos 15th till 21st of November 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. So what's there for my Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, 15th till 21st of November. At the back of the deck, we have the Nine of Pentacles. This is your overall energy at present, what's going on. So this is an energy of an independent person who is really happy with doing things for himself or herself. You are more into some self-love. You are more into independent situation. You are working. You are working and you are spending all the money which you have on yourself. Not all, basically a majority or a lot. You are focusing on yourself a lot and you are kind of confident person, which I am really getting, although it's a pentacle energy, Virgo, Taurus or Capricorn. But yeah, this is definitely your energy right now, Virgo. Always happy doing their own stuff, you know. In the past we have Temperance, Queen of Pentacles and King of Wands. So this was a balance, a maintaining of balance. You might have maintained some balance, or you might have tried, you know, you might have even meditated, or you always wanted peace, and you actually worked on some peace in the past situations. I'm seeing healings as well, so this could be something in relation with healing from some kind of a bad situation in your life. You healed from that thing. You gave a lot of time. In the past also, I see a strong woman or a strong man who actually worked for himself or herself in his pentacles on your work, job, finances and everything, you know. Okay. At present, we have the Fool, King of Swords and Six of Pentacles energy. So you are dedicating all your energies and thoughts into something good. Okay, something like social. You are socially active. If you are you are giving money to needy people, you are giving food, or you are doing some good social work around you at present, because you feel that you have, because you know there's a feeling where you are more into where if you will give to needy people, you will get more. So there is that balance which you are creating in you, and you are leading a new life all of a sudden. Might be because of some kind of a change in your life might have happened, and you have start seeing a situation in a very different way. Like you have started seeing your life in a very different way. A very practical approach, I feel that you are actually taking now. More than emotional, you are becoming very practical. Although Virgos are practical, but with children and love things, they are emotional. But yeah, you are being very practical right now, and you are seeing the positive around you a lot. I am really getting a very beautiful reading. I don't know why, but yes. This is good, right? Okay, so in the coming future, we have Page of Swords, Ten of Cups and Knight of Wands. See how beautiful, happy family. Basically, you are maintaining your present energies. You are giving focus in your present energies for a better future. In regards with Page of Swords and Knight of Wands, I'm going to clarify what exactly this is. Let's see now. Okay, so let's see what's there for my Virgos. Nine of Pentacles energy for my Virgos. How are my Virgos going on? Okay, so Lovers, Eight of Wands and Six of Swords. I think that you are moving away from a situation which actually in which there was a lot of chaos, and you are going away from that chaotic energies, from those negative energies, and you are going towards calmer waters yourself. And that is why you are finding self love, and you are finding a lot of happiness around you, because you want, because this is your choice and you wanted to go from that thing. This could be a love situation, this could be something, yeah, this could be like a love situation, or you could have been married to this person. But yeah, you chose this thing, you are the one who actually decided for this thing. Okay, tell me about the temperance energy in the past. What is this temperance energy in the past for my Virgos? Five of Swords, Queen of Wands, and the Magician. Okay, so there was trickery, there was magic. With the Magician, I feel that there is more of a negative energy, because it has been involved with the Five of Swords. So I see some bad negative energies around you. People could have been involved into something negative, and this lady is with the Queen of Wands. She is, you know, she is doing with her wands, and she is doing like magic and all. So basically you are into something crazy, or something very negative in your past, and you came out of that situation and you healed from that. You wanted that thing to not to continue, and you were like, you know, you were at a, you got into that situation of so much of pressure, so much of negativity around. Tell me more about, you could be dealing, okay, so there are some signs which are coming up. You could be dealing with the Gemini, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, and Aries. Aries again, Libra, Cups energies are here. Yeah, Gemini also. Okay, so tell me about the Queen of Pentacles. Who is this Queen of Pentacles? Okay, so it's the High Priestess, Nine of Pentacles, and Page of Cups. So this could be um, when you actually healed from that situation, whatever that situation was. You started focusing on yourself. You started focusing on your. You could be an artist. You could be somebody, you know, who is more towards some kind of an art, like makeup artist, or paintings, or drawing, whatever, you know. It's like there's some kind of an hobby in you, and some kind of a picturization where you are more passionate about something else. Okay, so there's something, some other situation definitely. Tell me about the King of Wands. I think why you could, the reason why you were able to heal, because you had a lot of stuff in which you can do your stuff alone. You know, you do not need anyone else in that situation. So that is how you healed from a bad situation in your life. Nine of Cups, Hanged Man, and the Empress. Yes, you really worked on yourself. There could be a child also involved in the situation. You were busy with your child. For some of you, of course, you started manifesting positivity. You started focusing on yourself. You started, you know, you shifted your focus into some other situations in life rather than only in one past situation. You were like, you took some time off, and you started perceiving situations in a different way. So that is why you actually opened up into a new life all of a sudden in the present, because of a lot of uh, things which you have seen in the past. And now because of that things, you analyze that now my life is more about practicality rather than emotional. I am not going to be so much emotional, I am going to be practical. So this is a way you are making yourself move forward in life. Tell me more about the Six of Pentacles. Who is the Six of Pentacles? Is this you or somebody else? Ace of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. So this is another person, I feel, in your life, who might have moved into your life. Okay, it could be new. This is definitely a new person, and this person is like, you know, now you are really getting a strong positive vibe with this person. You want to make this relationship work. This person is also very practical. Although I have got two King of Swords, you might be dealing with a Libra or an Aries, or another Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. But a very practical person with whom you are dealing with. Just like you are dealing with another practical person. another very strong person. Tell me more about the Page of Swords energy in the future. Why is the Page of Swords energy is here? Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and Ten of Swords. Wow. Okay, so many tens in your future energy. So this is we have Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and Ten of Cups also. Wow, something, it's like a completion of situations, you know, those things which needs to be end, they are ending in the coming future. Okay, those situations, like, you know, whatever is pending in your life and which needs to really end because of the negativity, you need to end those things because of the positive arena or the positivity, you know, the way you have transformed yourself, because you are actually focusing on the positives now. So because of that positivity, you are actually started to manifest positivity in life, and because of that positivity, the universe is actually seeing everything that you are attracting positivity. So the problems are leaving from your life. And with this Ten of Swords, I feel that, yeah, it is an end of the bad energies and entry of the new good stable energies which you have always been wanting. And you have now, you are understanding in the near future that that things are that those things which are unhealthy to me, those things which are bad for my health or for myself or for my family, you are just ready, you know, you are ready with the sword over there, you are ready to fight for that thing. Like, I am not ready to accept any of those bullshits or bad things in my life, because I am entering into a new world now. I am entering into the happiness mode. My happiness mode has been started, and I am the one who is creating this happy times. Okay, no one else. So that is why you will not allow anyone to come in your own space which you are having. Tell me more about the Knight of Wands. King of Cups, Seven of Cups, and Two of Swords. Okay, so there is a person in your life in the coming future who might come, or who has already been, who is already there, but there is some confusion in regards with this person. Either this person is confused about you, or you are confused about this person. But decision making has to be done in the near future, whether you will go on with this person or whether you will come back, you will hold on. This is something which you need to decide in regards with this person in the coming future, because the way you have established your life, as I already told you, you are not ready to, you will not accept anything negative in your life. So the decision making will be yours, the ball will be in your court, my dear Virgos. You might be dealing with with Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, and other signs which I have already told you. I'll be taking out 3 cards for you from my Angel Answers Oracle deck. 3 cards for my Virgos, please. 3 cards. Okay, so the answer. Okay, so wow. One answer is no, one answer is yes, and the third card is you are ready. I'm going to take one more card for you, just for you. Because of this no and yes, I don't know what that is. An opportunity. Okay, so you are ready for an opportunity. Okay, so this is the cards meaning that you are ready for an opportunity to come, and it will be a yes or no. It will all depend on you. So you can, something is coming up towards you, my dear Virgos. Okay, so that is all from my side. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.